Repairing moisturizing gel socks. Our soft heel socks provide intensive hydration treatment to moisturizes and softens callous, hard, thick, dry, rough, cracked feet, toes and heel skins. With our overnight socks, simply apply your favorite skin softening lotion to your heels, pull on our gel moisture socks, and enjoy a peaceful slumber. Silicone gel for pain relief. Gel spa socks with specially formulated gel lining are rich in vitamin E and mineral oils, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, etc. You can soften your skin on their own, but work best when combined with your favorite aloe or lotion. Heel an already painful situation. Constantly moisturize your heels to a nature, smoother look. At-home dry feet treatment. With spa moisturizing gel socks, spa hydration treatment at home. No longer need frequent trips to expensive spa salons. Simply soak your feet, apply your favorite cream, and then wear these gel socks for as long as you'd like, ideally several hours or overnight. With consistent use, your feet will be smoother and softer. Day and night foot care. Codream spa socks are washable and reusable for continuous comfort. Wear at least 2 to 3 times per week. Daily or bedtime use for recommended. Using our moisturizing socks when you sleeping, wake up to smoother, softer feet skin. Adding a nice smelling foot balm or moisturizer under the socks is an added bonus. Durable moisturizing socks. Made of soft cotton and spandex, high-quality gel inside silicone socks help to lock in the moisture for better skin repair. Featured non-slip dots on the bottom of gel socks, which offer better grip for improved stability and balance. You can have a better control of your body movements, avoid tumble and injuries. Top reviews from the United States. Absolutely amazing. I totally love these comfy slippers. I have tried for many years to soften my feet and get rid of terrible calluses. I put these on for 1.5 hours and I was shocked. My feet are soft. No more crunchy hard soles of my feet. I've told everyone about these slipper to repair your feet to beautiful again. Thank you for making these.